Welcome back to our channel. Today we will know how clove or clove extracts has potential benefits, but before that make sure to subscribe to our channel for more health-related topics and support us. Now let's dive into the topic. Clove was tested for antimicrobial activities against several fungi and bacteria strains. During lab trials, clove showed complete bacteria-killing activity against all foodborne pathogens. More trials are required to support clove against infectious diseases in humans. Therefore, do not use clove oil before consulting your healthcare provider. Clove oil may help clear the respiratory passages and act as an expectorant for managing several upper respiratory diseases like bronchitis, cough, cold, asthma, and sinus conditions. Clove contains various flavonoids like caryophyllene, camphorol and rhamnotin that might contribute to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory activity. You must talk to your healthcare provider before using clove or its oil for any inflammatory conditions. Clove and eugenol have shown strong antioxidant properties in trials. Clove bud extract may be used as a food antioxidant. In some studies, it was observed that the kidney functions, liver functions, and antioxidant status were improved with clove use. Before using clove or any herb for its health benefits, you need to contact your healthcare provider and get a proper diagnosis. The pain-killing effect of clove has been documented since the 13th century. Clove oil might be effective in dealing with joint pain, tooth pain, and spasmodic pain. Clove oil has been widely used as an painkiller agent in dental clinics as it can relieve toothache. Clove oil helps to deal with bloating and gas. In addition, clove oil may be an effective remedy for stomach-related conditions like motion sickness, nausea, hiccups, and vomiting. If you are suffering from any stomach problems, you should talk to your doctor to come up with a diagnosis. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful content.